سلام دوستان، به چنل کیوتی بنگ خوش اومدید. امروز اومدم یه بازی هرس در آر رو انجام بدم. باید بهتون بگم که حتما از هنز فری استفاده کنید. سابسکرایب کنید تا بریم سراغ ادامه ویدیو. اسم این بازی گتینگ اوور ایت هستش. اگر از گوشیتون خسته شدید و میخواید بشکنیدش، این بازی رو دانلود کنید و هرس بخورید. بریم که میخوام رکورد جهانی بازی رو بشکنم. خب الان باید چه گوهی بخورم؟ جالب شد. پشمام خیلی سخته، ولی من میتونم. اصلاً مسیر از کدوم بره؟ تیری مزخرفه. آها، قلقش تازه داره میاد دستم.
There's no feeling more intense than starting over. If you deleted your homework the day before it was due, as I have,
قدرت.
or if you left your wallet at home and you have to go back after spending an hour in the commute.
این
If
چه
you won some money
کسچره؟
at the casino and then put all your winnings on red but it came up black. If you got your best shirt dry cleaned before a wedding and then immediately dropped food on it. If you won an argument with a friend and then later discovered that they just returned to their original view. Starting over
من
is
یه
harder
روزی
than starting
سازنده
up.
این بازی رو
If you're
میگم.
not ready for that, like if you've already had a bad day, then what you're about to go through might be too much. Feel free to go away and come back.
آها، بالاخره داره رد میشه.
Alright, thanks for coming with me on this trip. I'll understand if you have to take a break at any
جان
point.
مادرت
Just
نیفت
find a
پایین.
safe place to stop and quit the game.
مادر
Don't
تو
worry,
گاییدم.
I'll save your progress, always. Even your mistakes.
تمرکز کن محمد،
This game
تمرکز.
is a homage to a free game that came out in 2002 entitled
پیش
Sexy
به
Hiking.
سوی گاییدن مادر
The author of that
سازنده
game was
بازی.
Jazzuo, a mysterious Czech designer who was known at the time as the father of B games. And B games are rough assemblages of found objects. Designers slap them together very quickly and freely, and they're often too rough and unfriendly to gain much of a following. They're built more for the joy of building them than as polished products.
نه
In a
خیلی
certain way,
حساسه
Sexy
بیفتم
Hiking is the
پایین
perfect
دهنم
embodiment of a
سرویسه.
B game. It's built almost entirely out of found and recycled parts, and it's one of the most unusual and unfriendly games of its time. In it, your
آها
task is
دیگه
simply to drag
آخرشه.
yourself up a mountain with a
خدا بس دیگه ما خسته شدیم دیگه.
hammer. And that act of climbing, in the digital world or in real life, has certain essential properties that give the game its flavor. No amount of forward progress is guaranteed. Some cliffs are too sheer or too slippery. And the player is constantly, unremittingly in danger of falling and losing everything.
نه تیرم
Anyway, when you
توش
start
بیناموس.
sexy hiking, you're standing next to this dead tree that blocks the way to the entire rest of the game. It might take you an hour to get over that tree, and a lot of people never got past it. You prod and you poke at it, exploring the limits of your reach and your
انصافاً
strength,
هدف از
trying to
ساخت
find a
این
way up
بازی
and
چیه؟
over. And there's a sense of truth in that lack of compromise. Most obstacles in video game worlds are fake. You can be completely confident in your ability to get through them once you have the
لعنت
correct
به این
method,
بازی
the correct
مزخرف.
equipment, or just by spending enough time. In that sense,
من
every
پول
pixelated
گوشی و
obstacle in
حوصله
Sexy Hiking is
شکستنشم
free.
ندارم.
The
آها
obstacles
تموم
in
شد
Sexy Hiking are
رسیدم.
unyielding, and that makes the
یا
game unique and
خدا،
frustrating.
آخه چرا؟
But I'm not sure Jazzuo intended to make a frustrating game.
لعنت
Frustration
به
is
این
just essential
پاتینگ
to the act
بازی.
of climbing, and it's authentic to the process of building a game about climbing.
توف به قبرت آخرش
A
بود.
funny thing happened to me as I was building this game. I'd have an idea for a new obstacle, and I'd build it, test it, and it would usually turn out to be unreasonably hard. but I couldn't bring myself to make it easier. It already felt like my inability to get
خدایی
past the
بازی
new
مزخرفه هیچ
was my
وقت
fault
بازی
as a
نکنید.
player rather than as a builder. Imaginary mountains build themselves from our efforts to climb them, and it's our repeated attempts to reach the summit
بریم که میخوام رکورد جهانی بازی رو بشکنم.
that turns those mountains into something real.
این بازی کاره
کانادا
هستش میخواد جوانان را از راه به در کنه.
دوستان دهنم سر ادیت صاف شد، لطفاً کامنت بذارید.
خدا وکیلی فشاری شدم.
Oh, you just lost a lot of progress. That's a deep frustration, a real punch in the gut.
مغزم گاییده شد، دیگه نمیکشم بسه. میخوام این سنگه که جلوم هستو بکنم. به خاطر این حرکت هم که شد حساب کنید. خب ممنون که این ویدیو رو نگاه کردید. یادتون نره چنل رو سابسکرایب کنید و کامنت بذارید. عشق منید. فعلا خدافظ.
جان چون بزرگ چون پاره چون اسرائیلی